Once again, this is the DLR, as you can see. The DLR from Stratford heading into Woolwich, Arsenal. But I'll be coming off from Canning Town. And it's a driveless vehicle. Once again, this is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps as we continue to show you the road network. So right there you can see there's no driver. It is driveless, driving itself without a driver. Once again, this is Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. You can see the underground on the other side. This also takes you straight to the London City Airport. Once again, Koiki Media, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.
This train is for Woolwich Arsenal via London City.